In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most fundamental units of life, the cell. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Every living thing, from the smallest bacteria to the largest animals, is made up of cells. Cells are often referred to as the building blocks of life because they are responsible for carrying out essential life processes. There are two main categories of cells. 1. Prokaryotic cells. These are simple and smaller cells, typically found in single-celled organisms like bacteria. Prokaryotic cells do not have a nucleus. Instead, their genetic material floats freely inside the cell. Despite their simplicity, prokaryotic cells perform all the necessary functions for life, such as reproducing and responding to the environment. 2. Eukaryotic cells. These are larger and more complex cells found in plants, animals, and humans. Eukaryotic cells have a nucleus, which stores the cell's genetic material, DNA. This allows them to carry out more specialized functions. Eukaryotic cells also contain other organelles, each performing specific tasks that keep the cell functioning properly. Let's take a closer look at some key components of a eukaryotic cell. Nucleus, the control center of the cell where the genetic material, DNA, is stored. It directs all cellular activities, including growth, metabolism, and reproduction. Mitochondria. Known as the powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria generate the energy the cell needs to carry out its functions. Ribosomes. These are responsible for protein synthesis, producing proteins that are crucial for the structure and function of the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum, ER. The ER is a network of membranes that helps transport proteins and other materials throughout the cell. It comes in two forms, rough ER with ribosomes and smooth ER without ribosomes. Golgi apparatus. This organelle packages and distributes proteins and lipids to other parts of the cell or outside the cell. Cell membrane. The cell membrane acts as a protective barrier, controlling what enters and exits the cell. It's important to note that plant cells have additional structures like the cell wall for extra support, and chloroplasts, which are responsible for photosynthesis. In summary, cells are the basic units of life, equipped with specialized structures that perform essential functions, allowing organisms to grow, reproduce, and survive. Whether simple like prokaryotes or complex like eukaryotes, cells are the foundation of all living things. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth educational content.